Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Christmas is around the corner and we need to buy gifts for people, but at the same time Christmas time, the holiday season, isn't about giving gifts, but it's about being together with family and friends and just enjoying the time together. But at the same time we do give gifts to one another. So I thought in this video I will be doing a gender neutral gift guide, gift ideas video for you, so you have a couple of ideas what to get that special someone for Christmas. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So you can get them an espresso or any other type of coffee machine for that person who loves coffee, and at the same time you can also give coffee for the coffee machine. You can also give a water bottle or a hydro flask or any kind of bottle, basically. You can also give a TV if that person needs a new TV and it fits within your budget. You can also get them a phone or a tablet or a laptop, so anything in that tech kind of area. You can also give them candles, because who says that candles are only for girls or only for boys? I mean, boys, girls, they both love candles. So, and I mean, candles are just amazing. They make you feel relaxed, especially at nighttime when you're reading a book or watching telly or taking a bath or taking a shower. It's just so relaxing, and they're in different kind of scents, so it will fit everyone. So just find the right candle suited for that one person. You can also get them a camera or a Polaroid camera. You can also get them any kind of watch, let it be an Apple Watch or just an ordinary watch. You can also get them a gift card from the favorite store, if it's a clothing store, a techie store, a online store. Just get them a gift card from the favorite store and then they can just buy something from their favorite store. You can also get them perfume or cologne, because both men and women like to smell nice. They want to smell good, so giving them. But at the same time, if you might give them perfume or cologne, they might think that you think that they smell. But anyway, it's a nice gift. You can also get them a diffuser, which is really good for stress, because it's really good stress release. And you can also get them a cookbook, and I actually made a cookbook, so if you're interested, let me know down in the comments below with your Instagram or way that I can contact you and I can give you more information about the cookbook. You can also get them a Google Home. Also, if they've just moved into a new house, apartment, or they just need some new home decor supplies or kitchen supplies, you can get them homeware. You can also get them a mini basket with their favorite treats, so when they have a cheat day or when they have a date night or just a date night with themselves, then they can just use a couple of those treats and think about the person who gave them to them. You can also give them their favorite product, so if you know that they've been eyeing on a certain product for a really long time, you can get them that product and it will make them really happy. You can also get them a magazine subscription. You can also get them bath supplies, because who says that men don't like taking baths or doing kind of a skincare routine. So you can also get them a basket with some bath supplies, so it could be just if it's for men, you can get them a gel, you can get them a scrub, a face wash, you can get them a bath bomb if they want to take a bath as well, and a shampoo, a body wash in the scent that they would like. And then for the women, for women, the same thing, only I don't think women use gel in the hair that often, so yeah. You can also get them hand warmers, because it's cold and they need to have warm hands. And you can also make them yourself, because it's super easy if you just use a fleece fabric, and then you just put in rice, dried, just ordinary rice, not cooked. You put it just in there and then you actually sew it around the edges, and then you have your own little kind of hand warmers. You can also give them any kind of playing cards or board game or any kind of game that they like to play or that they would like to play. You can also give them a subscription to Spotify or any kind of music or gaming or whatever kind of platform they like. You can also give them phone cases or a headphone. You can get them beanies because who doesn't like wearing beanies? Or a hat, or you can get them a coat or a robe or slippers or shoes or any other kind of clothing item. You can also get them bags, so a backpack or a tote bag or a clutch or any kind of bag really if you've noticed they are in need of a new bag. You can also get them organization supplies, especially if it's for the person who isn't organized. It will be perfect to get them organizational like things so they can organize their life basically. You can also get them their favorite record player or their favorite like vinyls or CD player or anything in that area. You can also get them a mini printer, so I know HP has like those mini printers where you could just print off from your phone. So give them a speaker, or if that person really loves karaoke, you can give them their personal karaoke machine. You can also get them a external battery for their phone, laptop or any device. You can also get them a video doorbell so they can actually see who's at their door. So they can basically stalk people without other people knowing that. You can also get them a drone because nowadays drones are not as big as they used to be. They're quite smaller and the prices vary as well, so you can get drones for a really cheap price. You can also get them a gaming like system, or if they need an extra like gaming console like remote thing, then you can get them that so that they can play with multiple people. You can also get them kitchen supplies if they love cooking or if they've just moved into a new house or apartment and still need some kitchen supplies. You can get them kitchen supplies, and you can also personalize them yourself. You can get them a throw blanket because who doesn't love throw blankets? They're super cute, they're super warm, they're comfy, and there's this company called the Udi and I love that company. I am in love with their jump it blanket. I'm in love with their blanket like jumper that they have. It's like a jumper but it's super huge and it's a blanket and I want one, like seriously. I just want one because I'm always cold. Literally I'm always cold, so yeah, I actually need one of those. You can also get them a like piece of luggage, or you can get them a blender. You can also get them a wine opener or beer opener system thing. And nothing that's like a really more like on a personal like level kind of gift, which is you can get like a box or a jar and then you put in letters and then you write on like the outside, read when you're feeling sad, read when you have had a really good day, read when you're overwhelmed, read when you're stressed, read when you just I don't know, but you can do something like that, and then in like the letters you can write something really sweet. So the next one is more if you're in a relationship with someone or if you're friends with someone, then you can have like a jar and then you can add notes in it like coupons, so a date night or a massage or spa like day or theme park or restaurant, or it's your turn to like cook, or it's your turn to choose the movie, something like that. You can get them tickets to the favorite concert or game. You can get them like a weekend getaway or a wine class or a cooking class or an art class or any kind of class, or yeah. Last but not least, you can also give them a photo shoot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below what your top 3 is on your Christmas wish list, and also what means a lot to you during the holiday season. And I'll see you guys in my next video.